Good evening, everyone. Today, I'm going to discuss about what to read for NEET SS 2025 exam, being a ENT doctor. So, this is regarding ENT Super Speciality exam. So, through Speed Learning app, we want to discuss that. So, there is a notification which has been released yesterday regarding what to read for NEET SS exam 2025 for ENT. So there is an online application which is available from 4th February 2025 to 24th February 2025, and it will be closed by 27th February to 3rd March around. And there are instructions how to upload the picture. They have taken a lot of care on upload of picture. Please go through that. And admit card will be issued on 25th of March, and examination date is on 29th and 30th of March. And if you see, they have given 2 days. I will discuss why they have given 2 days and why we need to take care of 2 days. And if you see, you have +4 and -1 mark for each of the response, and the duration of the exam is 2.5 hours for 150 questions. So you have your exam of ENT group on 29th March 2025. Yes, ENT group, you will be doing it in the morning shift, and you have 30th March also evening session in the surgical group. There are two exams which you are going to write in this 2025. Being an ENT doctor, you can write ENT group exam, that is head and neck surgery, and along with that 30th March you can write surgical specialty also. Now we will discuss what to read and how to proceed with the exam further. So you have four courses: head and neck, plastic surgery, surgical oncology, neurosurgery. And are you eligible for all is the first question asked by multiple students. Yes, you are eligible. Being a ENT, you are eligible for plastic surgery, head and neck surgery, and surgical oncology and neurosurgery. But exam pattern differs. So first, being a head and neck faculty and being your majorly head and neck students, I am going to tell you what to read in head and neck surgery, how to proceed with the exam. For MCH head and neck surgery exam, you have now latest seats added. Nearly you have 30 seats. Now 30 seats. Latest you have Tata Vizag Varanasi added, KMC Manipal, SGPGI Lucknow. So you have old seats which have been hiked. Tata, they have become from 4 to 6 in the last year. Kolkata 4 opened in the last year. So like this you have now 30 seats. So definitely you have an extra scope for getting a seat in head and neck surgery if you prepare properly. Now, next question that arises is what to read for head and neck surgery exam. So you have ENT, general surgery, and statistics, and three subjects to be read for head and neck exam. I'll tell you in the next slide why general surgery need to be read for head and neck exam. Approximately they ask 80 to 90 ENT questions, 40 to 45 head and neck questions, that is cancer or benign cases of head and neck conditions or anatomy of head and neck, and 10 to 20 on general surgery. So definitely this number varies. Few exam they ask only 5 to 10 questions of general surgery, but 2 to 3 questions on statistics. The rest of all are ENT and head and neck. But this is an approximate calculation of years of exams which I have gone through along with the students. 80 to 90 will be ENT, or it can be 100 also, but 40 to 45 will be head and neck, and 10 to 20 or 5 to 10 or 2 to 3 will be on statistics. So definitely you have to give 1 day for statistics, at least every day 1 hour for general surgery, and every day 2 to 3 hours for ENT exam along with head and neck. Are they going to go into core head and neck questions? Unlikely. This exam is an exit based exam. You need not prepare like NEET SS exam. So you can generally prepare ENT in depth and go superficially or head and neck. Being my students, I know that you are very much familiar with the head and neck topics, and you are the best in head neck, but you need to go little extra vigilant on ENT topics rather than head and neck for this exam. Last year there are a lot of questions on pediatric surgery, laryngology, and little bit on otology. Rhinology they didn't ask anything. Before year in 2022 they asked a lot of questions on rhinology along with the otology, but they didn't touch other topics. So it varies. ENT topics are a must. Sir, what should I read? You have to definitely read Scott Brown's, and there is a recent release of Cummings which I have already shared in the group review book. If you have time, just go through that. Otherwise, Scott Brown is itself enough. And definitely you have to do old NEET PG questions of ENT, definitely, because that is the NAT board question pool is same. Even though it's a NEET PG question, the question pool is same. That same question can come into SS exam. It is not like always SS exam means you will get some weird case presentations or journal based questions from an ad board. The exam to the bare minimum. I already told you this is an exit exam. They don't want you in the competition. To expel you, they ask simple questions. If you do wrong in a simple question, the exam is gone. So remember, keep to the minimum, but read ENT thoroughly through Scott Brown thoroughly every chapter, every chapter. So make a gist this 1 month you can utilize for that. Revise ENT multiple times. Next, the major question that I asked by ENT people are, why should I read general surgery being a head and neck, being a head and neck student or writing for a head and neck exam? The answer is you have two feeder branches for head and neck. The feeder specialities are general surgery and ENT. So you will be very well be questioned in general surgery apart from ENT. So what should I read? Should I read GIT urology? Answer is big no. They can be one question or may not be a question also in GI surgery, urology, pediatric surgery, other topics. But definitely you will have Bailey volume 1 questions like shock, blood transfusion, sutures, acid base, trauma, basics to general surgery. And since you are already preparing for neurosurgery, surgical oncology, part of general surgery, you need to have an idea. Last year there was a question on breast cancer. So why did they ask me breast cancer question? The thing is, they are now thinking you as a student preparing for surgical oncology. They can ask few questions like that. Basics they can ask. Trastuzumab is HER2 receptor antagonist. This you need not like go through into core of surgical oncology, but you need to know basics. So what I am trying to tell you is, so you need to close the deficits which you have. So I don't want you to go through whole of surgical oncology, but read basics of every cancer and go. So take a PG book or see in the app. You need not prepare to the core, but see in the app. Fast revision is very important for general surgery. Be thorough with shock, blood transfusion, sutures, acid-base balance, trauma, and basics related to general surgery. In my exam, I already told you multiple times, they asked me the pressure which you create in the hemoperitoneum, which is very well there in the Bailey part of laparoscopic surgery text, Bailey part 1, laparoscopy chapter. So just read all questions of NEET PG general surgery, general part, and you keep aside GI surgery or urology. And GI surgery, definitely you have to read esophagus. Esophagus is a part of our textbooks also. You don't think that esophagus doesn't come. They can ask you esophageal cancer also. They can ask you, and I have dealt that in Bailey revision class. Please go through regarding esophageal cancer, esophageal motility disorders. They are commonly asked questions. Never skip on commonly asked questions. That's why I am telling you to go and do NEET PG questions. NEET PG questions of general surgery, NEET PG questions of ENT, along with SS level preparation of ENT is fair, good enough. Should I go through statistics, sir? Yes, you have to go through statistics, definitely. The 2 to 3 questions, I have seen multiple rankers, the 2 to 3 questions make a difference. I have already shared what book to read in the group, in the Telegram group. Please go through that. Next, coming to MCH surgical group. Sir, I am a ENT resident. I am giving second day exam, 30th March exam of surgical group to get selected for neurosurgery or surgical oncology or plastic surgery. So first of all, I want you to understand that the exam pattern is same or single for you and surgery resident. And second thing, there is no separate paper for each of these specialties. Like plastic doesn't have, surgical oncology doesn't have, or neurosurgery doesn't have separate papers. That's a single paper on general surgery. And you are eligible everywhere. Now the cross question you can ask me, sir, I am a feeder branch for surgical oncology, I am a feeder branch for neurosurgery, I am a feeder branch for plastic surgery. Why can't ENT questions come in all these papers? Yes, they can definitely come. Bailey has ear, nose, throat chapter. Bailey has head and neck cancer chapter. Bailey has salivary gland chapters. Bailey has thyroid chapter. These are all overlap of ENT topics. They can touch you on those topics, but that will not be a major chunk because surgical group per paper is mainly based on general surgery. These are all specialities. So understand that plastic surgery, surgical oncology, neurosurgery is not the only subject they test you in surgical group. They want people of surgery to write cardiothoracic surgery, pediatric surgery, hepatobiliary surgery, surgical gastroenterology. For them, the paper cannot be set as separate because it's a single exam. So they will ask you all questions like a general surgery resident. You have to answer all questions. Sir, can a ENT question come? Yes, ENT question can come based on daily ENT topics. Don't think that they will come and ask you regarding our topics. No, they will not go into the core of audiometry or anything because the Bailey textbook doesn't contain, Bailey textbook of surgery doesn't contain all these. So what they are going to test you? So they are going to test you whatever given in the Bailey surgery textbook or Sebastian surgery textbook. If you want to write this all, my suggestion is at least go through old NEET PG questions of general surgery. That will solve half of the purpose. So can I write two exams? The answer is yes. I already cleared it in the first session only. 29th March you have a ENT exam for MCH head and neck group exam, and 30th March you have in the afternoon session you have surgical group exam which you can attend later. This is the surgical group exam here, and ENT group exam is on 29th March. So you can very well attend to. And this year they have opened one more slot for medical genetics, which will come under medical group. If anyone is interested, you can do that also. If that is in the morning shift. Then what to read for surgical exams? So surgical exams, as I told, will contain general surgery along with statistics. Approximately they will ask around 50 to 60 questions on general surgery and 70 to 80 questions on specialty topics of surgery along with 5 to 8 questions on statistics. So this number again can vary. That means like it can be 60 questions on general surgery or 70 questions on general surgery, 70 questions on specialty topics, and 2 to 3 questions on statistics. So that way. So read at least basic general surgery from any app or book like a general surgery student. But my suggestion is the specialty topics of surgery is can be dealt by books as shown. This book is written by me. You can deal with the oncology part in this book or specialty topics of general surgery. I want you to not to go into depth because it's a time waste. We have only 1 month. Just at least focus on general surgery as a dual shot that you can fetch both head and neck exam with general surgery part you can cover and general surgery part of this group also you can cover. Sir, what should I do with specialty topics? I will tell you to go through any PG book or old questions of NBE, just like whatever rapid revision you can do. And I am going to share one material which is there with me, that is for NEET PG. We can I'll share in the Telegram group. Have a look of that also as a quick revision part. So all the best. Thank you everyone. Read well. Only thing that saves at this time is revision, revision, revision. Thank you. Hope you'll have the best results this time also. Thank you.